If you don't have a photo or video of your adventure, then did it ever really happen? This must be the line that goes through the head of adventure junkies when they decide to get an action camera. Whether you have a GoPro, Sony, Olympus, or Drift action camera, you can spruce it up with a few accessories to really maximize its abilities. Action camera accessories are not just selfie sticks and helmet mounts, they are much more versatile, and it is in this versatility that the possibilities of action cameras really start to open up. Whether you are a video pro or a weekend warrior, getting any one of the accessories we are recommending below will help you get even better shots out of your action camera. 1. GoPro Tripod Mount. One of the first things you will notice with GoPro cameras is that their waterproof housing does not use the standard 1/4 20 UNC connections compatible with standard tripods. They use a more specialized quick-release clip mechanism. This quick-release clip is actually quite nice, it is secure, adjustable, and can be quickly connected and removed. However, it also renders the GoPro cameras incompatible to non-GoPro tripods and mounts. For cases such as these, you will need the GoPro tripod mount. This adapter includes a GoPro tripod mount and a GoPro quick-release mount, both of which are connected to a female 1/4 connector, allowing you GoPro to be used for standard tripods and accessories. If your arsenal contains a mishmash of GoPro and other brands of cameras and accessories, then this adapter is an absolute necessity. 2. GoPro to 1/4 inch adapter. On the other side of the pond, you may want to connect an action camera with a standard 1/4 female connector to a GoPro style mount. The fact that the market is dominated by GoPro products means that most of the best camera action accessories were designed for GoPro cameras. With this adapter, you can get in on the fun of using GoPro accessories even if you are using a Sony or Olympus camera. This adapter combines a simple 1/4 male connector to a standard GoPro mount connector. It's a very small item that you can get a lot of utility out of, especially as you would like to stick to using a non-GoPro action camera. 3. DeKaSi Seeker Backpack. Our action cameras are built for adventure, but carrying them around with its array of accessories can get overwhelming without a reliable carrying case which also provides a semblance of organization. The 16L DeKaSi backpack is made to withstand all the rugged conditions that you and your action camera could get into. It is made of a weather-resistant material and has enough space for several action cameras in all of your accessories. This backpack was thoughtfully designed for the adventure seeker. It comes with an integrated chest mount and an extended 3-way where you can attach your action camera. It even has a dedicated compartment for a hydration bladder. If you have been looking for a spacious action backpack for all your weekend adventures, then the DeKaSi backpack will exceed all your expectations. 4. Dual battery set with charger. Action cameras are deliberately designed to be compact and lightweight for maximum portability. To achieve this form factor, compromises on battery capacity were made. Most action cameras have batteries that will only last for 2 or 3 hours of continuous video capture, so it is always a good idea to have 1 or 2 spare batteries on hand. Charging several batteries using a standard charger can be a pain, so we suggest saving yourself the frustration and getting one of these dual battery chargers. This particular charger is compatible with GoPro batteries, and you may have to look for another model for other action camera brands. In most cases, these dual battery chargers come bundled with 2 spare batteries, which makes them a really good deal. 5. GoPro 3-way grip. The market for action cameras is replete of grips, tripods, and selfie sticks of various brands and designs, but we have always been partial to the 3-way grip from GoPro. The basic form of this stick is a standard hand grip with a rubber non-slip coating. A telescoping pole can be extended and tightened in place to form an extended monopod with 2 articulating points, allowing for a variety of orientations. Finally, the main grip can be opened to reveal a tripod stand that can be connected to the main body. With a waterproof design and the capability to stand up on any kind of terrain, this 3-way grip can be used virtually anywhere.